Hello, this is Jennifer Martin and welcome to English 090, Success Strategies for English Composition 1. This is the fall 2020 semester. This course is going to be held entirely online, so I just want to give you a little bit of an overview of what to expect in this course and what this course is all about, because I know there can be some confusion. So I'll come right out of the gate and tell you that my goal for you in this course is to help you get an A in English Composition 1. Not a B, not a C, not even an A-. I want you to be able to get an A in that course. That's a pivotal, important course, foundational course in your education in college, and I want to help you succeed in that course as best as you possibly can. So this entire course is set up as a support system for you in English Composition 1. Also within this course, though, are going to be some other strategies and skills that are going to help you really in all of your college courses. So we're going to be talking about things such as, building a growth mindset, having good time management strategies, how to deal with problems like procrastination, and so on. So you'll see a lot of those skill building type of topics in this course as well. In this course, the way that I have it set up, I have this little preview module here, and I'll have this video included in this preview module, but you'll see our syllabus. So if you go ahead on in and click on our syllabus and go ahead and open it, I think I have to open it there. It'll pop up in a second, but this makes it a little faster. There we go. If you open our syllabus and read on through it, you're going to see a few things. First of all, you're going to see that we are going to have what I call work sessions in this course through Zoom every Monday around 1 o'clock. It may be a little earlier than 1 o'clock because what I'm going to do is start that work session immediately following the weekly overview that I'm going to be doing in the English 101 course. So the rest of the English 101 students, they'll wrap up, they'll leave, or maybe they'll stick around, and then we'll have a work session where we can actually, get one-on-one feedback and go over some, pertinent questions to you about assignments for 101. So you'll be able to share your screen with me, you'll be able to share a draft with me, I'll be able to give you line-by-line feedback on something that you're working on if you'd like. And those work sessions, they'll run about a half an hour in length. I won't record those work sessions because depending on, who's in, they may not want to, have all of their work being shared. So I really do encourage you, if possible, to attend those work sessions. Now, if you cannot attend those work sessions on Mondays, then what I suggest is you pop in at some point during the week to one of my online office hours. So again, those are going to be Tuesday mornings, Wednesdays around 11, and then also Sunday nights. And you can just pop in for as much time as you need. You don't need an appointment, and then we can work through any questions that you have on an assignment. So that's really important. Make sure you look at this gray box up here so it reminds you of those times of when I'm available. You'll see the course description. Make sure you read through the course objectives. Again, essentially my goal is to help support you in English 101 and make sure you get that A in English 101. That's what we're really striving for. Now, something else that's really important in the syllabus is you'll see how is your grade calculated. Now, this is what we call a developmental English course. So your grade in this course does not actually count towards your GPA. So the grade is a little bit different. So in a typical college course, an A is a 93 to 100. In this course, an A is 90 to 100, then B is 80 to 90, and then C is 70 to 80. There's no pluses or minuses in a developmental course. So you'll see that listed there. The way that I make up your grade in this course is I don't really want this course to be a whole bunch of extra busy work for you that takes away from your time in English 101. So essentially what you're going to find in this course is it's going to be really easy to complete the work in this course, and that all of the work in this course is going to help you in that English 101 class. So just as long as you complete the work in this class, that's 3/4 of your grade right there, 75% of your grade. You are going to have a mini lesson that you're going to put together. It's going to be a presentation. You can record it using a screen recording program like I am. This is Screencast-O-Matic. It's completely free and very easy to use. And what you'll do is you'll end up putting together a PowerPoint or a Google slide on a topic, and we'll work through all of it. I'll give you plenty of instructions to do it, but that'll be 15% of your grade. And then one other thing that you need to do is at some point during the semester, you do have to check in with the Academic Support Lab and meet with a writing tutor there and get feedback on one of your rough drafts of your essays in English 101. Now, meeting with the Academic Support Lab is super easy now. Let me come on back on over here. And I'll show you. So this is my dashboard. Let me see. I don't know if they don't have one up yet. What you'll see on your own dashboard is you're going to see a little card. It says Donut Stress on it. It's got a little picture of a donut. But you'll see a little card for the Academic Support Lab. You'll click into that and you'll see instructions on how you'll set up an appointment to meet with a writing tutor. They are fabulous. I love the tutors over there. They have tutors in math and all your science courses, all your social science courses, and every other course you can think of as well. But the writing tutors are especially wonderful. You know, some of them are even former students, wonderful people, and they're really going to help you out a whole lot in giving you some feedback on your courses. Sorry about that. Let me put that away. Okay, so that's that. Let me pop on over back into our course now and show you a couple of other things. So the syllabus you definitely want to read through really carefully. Then you're going to notice, just like in our English 101 class, I'm going to organize everything in modules. So it'll be module 1, module 2, module 3. And I'll open up the modules just 1 week at a time. I don't ever want to overload you, so it'll just be 1 week at a time that you'll see information. You always want to start at the top of a module. Always have a little to-do list, just like in English 101. So you make sure you read through the to-do list. This is, from my summer class, so, ignore the dates here. But you get an idea of how it is laid out. So I'll just give you, a couple of tasks that I want you to complete. If you have any questions, you send me a message. It's pretty easy to complete the tasks. Sometimes a task is as easy as just reading a page. And when you're done reading that page, at the top of the page, you'll have a little, my view's a little different than yours, but you'll have a button up here that'll say, mark done. And you'll just check it off as done, and you're done. All right, so some of the tasks are quite easy in this class. A lot of times I do rely on some TED Talks and some other YouTube videos that I'm going to have you watch. Again, they're all going to be pertinent to what we're doing in English 101. So you'll find some of that information to be quite hopefully interesting. Excuse me. I'm just looking at my notes, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. I think that's about it for right now. Again, I just wanted to introduce myself, introduce you to this class. I will say that I've been teaching this course now for about 3 years. Before we had this course, we had an entirely separate developmental English course called English 098. It was a 6-credit class, and you had to take it, complete it, and pass it before you could even get into English 101. I don't like that model. I love this co-requisite model where you're taking this class at the same time as you're taking English 101. I find that success rates when the classes are paired like this are much higher. Students do better, they move through the material quicker, and they still feel supported by me. I want to make sure that you always feel supported by me. I'm like your personal cheerleader, here to encourage you and to help you at any time to get through this course in English 101. All right. It's wonderful to meet you. I cannot wait to get this semester started. Have a wonderful rest of your summer, and start talking with you in the beginning of September. Take care.